Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and transfer cryptocurrency from Revolut to crypto.com. So once you are on Revolut, you want to go ahead and click send option or click on, for example, in this case, I'm just going to use USDT, Tether. Then you're going to click those three dots in the right corner and you're going to click send option. Now you're going to need to enter the address of crypto.com. So you want to go ahead to crypto.com. And from here, you need to go ahead and click deposit button, which is gonna send crypto, and use Tether. Now you're gonna choose a network. So Revolut uses mostly Ethereum. Now we're gonna copy this address and go back to Revolut and paste it. And just like so, you're gonna send the cryptocurrency to your crypto.com wallet. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.